Welcome to Sort It with Build It. This is our tiling expert. When it comes to tiling, he is flawless. Today, he'll be showing us some steps to follow when tackling a tiling project. Firstly, be sure to wear your safety goggles and earmuffs when cutting tiles with an angle grinder, and wear knee guards and gloves when tiling.
It is important to note that different types of tiles require different adhesives.
For example, porcelain tiles require porcelain adhesive, while ceramic tiles require ceramic adhesive.
For the purposes of this video, we will be showing you how to lay ceramic tiles.
For the tiling process, some of the tools and supplies you will need include tiles as required, relevant builded tile adhesive, tile and keyed primer or a keying agent, grout, a rubber mallet, a trowel, and tile spacers, 2 mm for porcelain tiles and 3 or 4 mm for ceramic tiles. Ensure the surface is clean, dry, and free from surface contamination. Prime smooth and dense surfaces to ensure a good adhesive bond onto the substrate. Next, add adhesive to the correct amount of clean, cool water as stipulated on the packaging. If tiling exterior or wet areas or where some movement is expected, replace the water with the bonding liquid. Mix the builded adhesive, water, and bonding liquid, ensuring a good consistency. Let the mixture stand for 3 minutes, then mix again. Apply the adhesive to the surface and notch the adhesive with a tiling trowel. Do not apply more adhesive than can be tiled in 10 to 15 minutes. Bed one tile at a time into the adhesive with a twisting action to ensure full contact between the background tiles and adhesive. Tiles should be well tapped into position with a rubber mallet. Use a spirit level to ensure all tiles are evenly laid. Lift the occasional tile to check for full contact of adhesive on the back of the tile. Using tile spacers will ensure consistent spacing between tiles. Allow the adhesive to set sufficiently as per packaging before grouting the joints using grouting mix. Apply the grout according to the instructions on the grout packaging.
If at any point you are unsure about the tiling process, don't hesitate to ask an expert in store.
For a wide range of quality porcelain or ceramic tiles, accessories, and expert advice, visit your nearest Build It store today or find us online at buildit.co.za.